Good Monday market review, everyone. This is Caleb down here at the Gold Cove, and I appreciate y'all tuning on here with me today. Right now, gold is around that $46-70 price, and silver is around that $69.50 to $70 price. Hopefully, we stay around here this week. I do expect a little bit of some volatility, so I'll dive into that in one brief moment. But let's cover our previous week's surveys. Now, last week we didn't have much, as you can see up there on the board. We had our FOMC meetings, but we also had a little bit of a more snippet news that was not posted on there. What it was our bond market, and our bond market's not looking that great because the US is pushing their buybacks upwards while other countries are not buying bonds at all. So that's kind of a little bit of a scary thing to hear and see. So if no one's buying our bonds, that's not good for us at all, right? Now, leading into this upcoming week, we got plenty of data, but we have one heavy hitter. And what that heavy hitter is the Jackson Hole Symposium. I think I'm saying that right. To all the quote unquote nerdy people out there, hopefully you know what I'm saying, but people that aren't as nerdy and invested into the economics of this world and country, what it is it's a big committee, and I want to say Kansas City or Wyoming or somewhere around there. And what it is they have all the smart people come to that committee and they go over what's the upcoming plan for the world and mostly for the United States. And it's just like all the economics, the bond people, I don't even know what they call themselves, but all the big, high, smart, elite people are going there, and they have their little committee and things like that, and things are going to be said on what to do and what not to do, what's our next steps into helping this economy. So hopefully that is good for us. If not, you might see a little bit of a move in the precious metals game. Now, with all that said, y'all, let's dive into your coolest buys of last week. Now, this here is it's a $100,000 bill. Unfortunately, this is not made by the US. The highest bill that they ever made was a $10,000 bill. This here is a silver bar, which is pretty cool and awesome to have. You can tell your buddies, I'm 100,000-aire because I got this beautiful silver bar. But now let's get into a little bit more of a serious, bills, if you would. These guys here are the $500 bills. These are pretty gorgeous. I think one of them is, they're both from New York. So that's pretty cool. This one here is priced at $1,900. This one here has not been priced yet because we bought it late Saturday. So we'll get that priced in the showcase for you soon. But these are cool and beautiful to have. A nice piece of history. They stopped making these, I want to say, in the 30s, 34, I believe. And it's just a cool weight of, cool piece of history to have. And these just could keep on going up for some reason. So maybe you should come on in and buy one or two. Now, with all that said, y'all, let's dive into your Caleb Steals of the week. And what they are these beautiful coal-like silver dollars. We got Peace dollars, Morgan dollars, maybe a little bit better of a grade, some G's to VGs. And right now we're selling these at $50 all week long, Monday through Saturday. Come on in and get them while supplies last, of course. I don't have too many because last time I did one of these, some guy, swooped them all up. So I've been holding on to this deal of the week for a little bit of a while now, just so I can build up a little bit more of a selection for you guys. And maybe I'll try to go through some more dollars because for some reason I go in that safe in that vault and I open a drawer. I'm like, bam, more dollars. I'm like, what? I thought we sold them, sold all these. But no, it's fun to go in there and be like, oh no, I just tripped over another tray of dollars. Oh no, in this cabinet, there's more dollars. They're just everywhere. So they're a cool piece of history, a great, thing to have. and you're just getting them at silver. I think it's like $3 or $2 or $4 under silver for that price this week. So maybe it'll go up, maybe it'll go down, who knows? But get them while you can. At 50 bucks today, that's under mil. So that's pretty sweet. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any pointers or suggestions of videos you want to see, please don't feel shy. Leave them down in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that fun material. Don't forget to check out our up and coming videos, our past videos, and most importantly, guys, stack on. Take care. Have a great one.